Day 33 here. We got wow, I can't say your name. Austin. We got Austin hacking up his sled. He saw me do it and he just had to follow. Hope you're gonna clean that up. Dick just passing everyone here. Oh, I know this guy. Baiting whether what to do here. Wait it out or go ride bold or the heavy artillery coming through. Well, we're turning around. We'll go to Boulder or Frisbee. Looks like a shitty line of traffic, so. Parking lot is dead today. Do something cool. Whoa! $2,470 kilometers on the original belt, and it's finally missing a cord here. That's unreal. Haven't even started riding and he's already got the side panel on the mod sled open again. Man. Come on. Well, I've been waiting for the turbo here for 10 minutes now. Maybe it'll show up this year.
This entire vlog is going to be about Devin today.
Yeah.
And all his wrecked parts. Bruce clap.
Hey Devin, is that side panel open over there again?
Yeah, I gotta change the belt tension. Way too tight.
Your first deep day. We definitely got some snow today. Testing this little slab here with the new snow. Definitely a bit of a storm slab. Austin. She's not revving down. Dropping down's a little sketchy today. We're with a guy that's not really a super good rider. Oh, I just can't help it though. It's just so good. I can't see anything. Well, We didn't catch him with his side panel open this time, but he's got a little trench there.
Digging trenches.
I don't think there'll be any GoPro footage today because it's just getting caked on there. Nice pow. Oh, I missed it. Good old pin and wiggle. Also, now that there's some more pow, I have a feeling we'll see Austin stuck a few more times than usual. You gotta go uphill so I can actually get a riding video where you can see the GoPro or see what I'm seeing. My sled wasn't working very good this morning. Wasn't revving out, but now it's running good. Guess just the new belt had to work in a bit. Oh yeah! Woohoo! Wide open, baby. Well, I was just coming through here. It's kind of steep, and it all just washed out. My back end dropped, and kind of pointing uphill. So, just gonna move some of this snow so I don't get too stuck here.
Oh man, it's unreal.
It's great, man. Yep, mine too.
You like that?
That is really nice.
That's just giving it some airflow.
airflow so the turbo can cool. I see.
So don't overheat.
Bottle was saving on 2500. It was at like 36 before. We're practically dating now.
She's from Brisbane.
How'd that one go? Well, we sent this guy home, but he's sitting back. I think he saw that thing up there. Real nice. Man, it is turning into be a beautiful day. Fresh snow and sun, that's like sledder's paradise. The snow is breaking away from me. Was following Devin's line up through here. It didn't lead me into a great spot. We're just trying to right. Trying to spray each other and just getting stuck. Well, another good day in the books. Some fresh snow, some sun. Fun day riding in the trees. Now, hopefully gonna go back and take my hood off and check out my pins for the electrical connector for the kill switch, because like every time I shut my sled off today, I'd have a problem starting it back up. Just a pain in the butt. 4 o'clock and the parking lot is totally empty. Well, that's it for day 33. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching.